Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding a cryptocurrency which is Cardano, ticker symbol ADA. And if you are following cryptocurrency market, you know that they are having a winter period because things are really coming down. The Bitcoin was around 60,000, currently it is almost half of it. So anyway, in this particular video I will talk about Cardano, the price action, the support, resistance, some trade ideas. At the same time, should you invest at this moment or what's coming in near few months, why I'm expecting a move for Cardano. And if you do not know that, some people say Bitcoin is the first generation, Ethereum is the second generation, and Cardano would be the third generation of cryptocurrency. And there's a site, if you want you can go and check, but basically like they talk about the proof of stake and so many things I will not cover, because if you do not know anything at all, I do not want to give this kind of information, proof of stake, proof of work. I just want to make it easy. Just keep that in that in mind, that when Elon Musk tweeted about Bitcoin and its environmental efficiency, Bitcoin was coming down. At the same time, Cardano was going up just because it is more environmental friendly, and same thing goes for Ethereum 2.0. If you look at CoinMarketCap, you can see that Cardano is sitting at number 5. Just looking at the market cap, number 1 is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and number 5 is Cardano. Bitcoin was 60,000, now it is 31,000. Ethereum was 4,000, it came back to 2,000. So everything is corrected almost by 50%. So some people loves to buy when things are on dip. And if you're investing in cryptocurrency, you need to know that cryptocurrencies are very volatile, and you need to have a very strong stomach if you really want to play with cryptocurrency, or just buy and forget and come back after 5 years if you really do not want to check day-to-day fluctuation. Anyway, so this is the chart. I will come back. I want to talk about the chart, but before that, if you do not know anything at all, there is a recent report on July 18th from Monthly Food. It talks about if you invest $1,000 2 years before, it will become 12,000 by now. So yeah, it is easy to say, like when you look like after 10 years. So what is Cardano? It is a public blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency. The ticker symbol is ADA. A blockchain is essentially a database that uses blocks of information that are chained together. So that is why it's a blockchain, and also it is based on Ether. And the creator of Cardano is the Charles Hoskinson, worked on Ethereum until leaving in 2015 due to a dispute. And also Cardano has something smart contract, and I will touch smart contract soon. You can also see it is an environmentally friendly cryptocurrency. And also it talks about Cardano worth buying. There is no shortage of reasons to like Cardano, and so many things it talks. So anyway, I'm not gonna cover all of this in this particular video, but yeah, definitely Cardano is something. So the current price is around 1.19, and if you see coin price forecast, they have a forecast. They are saying that it will hit $2 by the end of 2021, then $3 by the middle of next year, and it will see $5 within the year of 2023, and $10 in 2026. So basically almost like 8-9 times in next 5 years. And I'm investing in Cardano. I bought when it was around 1.2. I bought around $1, and I want to buy more. And why? Let's look at the chart. So you can see that we know the cryptocurrency summer, people say that it was trading around 16-17 cents, and from February you see we had a massive correction for the stock market, but the money was coming to cryptocurrency. So the stock correction we had in February, March, April, but at that time this thing was going higher and higher, and it had a high of 2.32. After that, Bitcoin crashed and everything is coming down. So now let's have a look at the chart. Is it a good time to get in? So first of all, you can see a downtrend. It has been making lower highs, but look at the other side. So definitely from this chart, I think it is easy to see some support and resistance. So definitely $1 seems like a very good support, because after mid-February it has been bouncing over $1. You can also see some long wick. This is a daily chart, meaning that it came and bounced off, meaning that there is a lot of deep buyers who are buying at $1. This is a daily chart. So if it comes back to $1, maybe it will be bought again and it will bounce. So definitely if you want to do a swing trade, or if you want to buy Cardano at a cheaper price, definitely one should be something for you. Now let's look at some other lines here. I also want to look around the current price of 1.2. You can see that the current price is bouncing from 1.2. Last time you see the body of the candles also at 1.2, and also you see some kind of support around 1.2. So 1.2 would be another area it might get a bounce. This chart is really nice if you really want to do a swing trade, because you can see the technicals are really good. The 1.48, 1.45, 1.5 doesn't matter, but you see the line here, it was rejected multiple times, one time here, two time here, three time here, then it became a support, and once we came below, then it became a resistance. So in the event if it goes up from 1.2, it breaks the circle, then maybe it will hit 1.45, this area again, and if it can break, definitely it will go higher. And how high it can go, again, I love the chart because you can see the lines here, right? Around 1.8 you see the line, it was rejected many times. So in terms of swing trade perspective, I like this one because you can easily see how it is moving. In case 1.2 is broken, it can come back all the way to $1, or even if the cryptocurrency market is really bad, who knows, it can come back below $1 and maybe around 0.8. So 8.880 cent around this area, because you see it was a previous support, and after 0.8 is very far, around 40 cent, but I don't think it will come up to like 40 cent, $1 or maybe 80 cent, that's it. So I have been buying whenever it is coming at $1. So far I have bought few times, but just look at the chart, look at the daily RSI. The RSI is around 34, and also look at the MACD. So it has been coming down, and you might get a bounce here, but if you really want to play with the run up, then wait for this to bounce up. Once it goes around over 1.3, goes on the other side of the blue line, or when it breaks 1.4, maybe you can enter. But for me, I'm just buying the dips, and I want to show you why it is important. Now let's look at the hourly chart here, and I want to show you something. So let's look at the chart here. Why I say $1? You see the long wicks, only for some time it comes to $1 and it goes up. Same thing, it comes back to $1 and it goes back up. And there are many people, they always complain that I wish there is a limit buy order exist for cryptocurrency buy, because cryptocurrency market is 24-hour and you can monitor each and every time, right? Sometimes it drops to $1 middle of the night. So many people use different app, but for me, the one I'm using, I'm really happy because it helps, it allows me to set some limit buy order, which is for Binance app. And by the way, if you do not have any cryptocurrency account, or if you want to make one, you can try some of these. So first of all, there is one which is called Coinbase. It is a very famous one. So I have the links for the referral links here, you can see in the description. So for all Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com and BlockFi, I have the links here, and if you use the link, my referral code, we both will get free money. As an example, for Coinbase, if we do, we will both receive 10 USD. There is BlockFi, we will get $10 in Bitcoin. There is a Binance, if you do this, you can get less commission each time you purchase, right? So there is nothing to lose, we get free money, and why not? I use Binance for limit buy order. At the same time, I love Coinbase, and I also love some other platform. So anyway, so why I'm bullish? Because there is something called a smart contract, and if you do not know what is a smart contract, it is like a middleman, right? When you buy a house and you sell a house, normally there is a person which is the broker, right? So you have to pay some commission to a broker or the middleman. What happens if there is no middleman, there is no broker, you can buy and sell, just that thing will happen between the buyer and seller. So a smart contract is a computer program or a transaction protocol which is intended to automatically execute, control or document legally. So basically, smart contract will eliminate the need for a middleman. The objectives of a smart contract are the reduction of need in trusted intermediators, arbitrations and enforcement costs, fraud, loss and everything. So it's a good thing, right? And for Cardano, they are expecting, I heard they were expecting a smart contract in August, and the recent report on July 16 says Cardano grows closer to launching a smart contract with new testnet. There is also some other thing I found, that market opens betting that Cardano won't release a smart contract by October 1st. So Personally, to me, does not matter if it is August or October. Whenever it comes, that's a big thing, it's a big improvement, right? And definitely that will improve the costs, the share price. And if you just do a deep buying here, then why not? You see, recently Cardano went all the way to 2.4, and just looking at the chart, let's say if you buy at $1, it seems like it can go back to 1.2 or even 1.5 or 1.8 again. So in that case, I will just say wait. If you think it will dip more, then just buy around $1, or you can start some position around 1.2, so it will be on your profile. If it comes to $1, you add more. If it comes back to 0.8, just add more. Currently, for last few months, I have been buying around $1. Now I will only buy if it comes back around 0.8. Otherwise, I will just hold, because I think this is the future. And also, if you believe the coin price forecast or any kind of forecast, they talk about $3, $5, $10. So anyway, if you buy at $1 and it becomes $5 within 2 years, 5% gain, which is 500% gain. So anyway, this is my thought. You can always argue, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you want to make a new account, then you can use my referral link here, so both of us will get free money. At the same time, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel. At the same time, you can join the community to get daily trade ideas with support resistance. You can see that I post for the members most of the time, even sometime not for the members. I post something, right? You see here, this is not for the members. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.